Hello children, welcome to Trinity Academy Metric Higher Secondary School. I am D. Mahalakshmi, your social teacher. Today we are going to see a new topic in term 2, class 3. Lesson 4, the splendid South. In this lesson, we will read about some cities in South India. First, we can move on to Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It was earlier called Madras. Chennai is located on the southeast coast of India, facing the Bay of Bengal. It is an important port. Climate of Chennai. Chennai is warm throughout the year. The city gets a pleasant sea breeze. Chennai receives more rain in winter than in summer. Rice is the main food. It is eaten with sambar, rasam and curd. People speak Tamil and English. People wear both modern and traditional clothes. Men wear vesti, shirt. Women wear saris. During festivals, girls wear a pavadai, which is a long skirt. People usually wear cotton clothes throughout the year. Next, festival. All the main festivals are celebrated here. Pongal, a harvest festival, is celebrated in January. Next, Bharatanatyam is a famous dance of Tamil Nadu. Industries. Railway coaches, cars and trucks are made in Chennai. It also has a large film industry. Chennai has many means of public transport. Metro rail service is one among them. Chennai is an important tourist center. The main attraction of the city is its beach. The Marina Beach, Edward Elliot's Beach, other places popular with tourists are the War Memorial, the famous Gandhiji Mandapam, Fort St. George, Government Museum, Gindi Snake Park, next, Kabalishwarar temple is famous for its stone carvings. Next, we can move on to Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier called Bangalore. It is also popularly known as the Golden City. Bangalore has many industries such as aircrafts, textiles, chemicals and electronic goods. Many computer companies have their offices here. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Some places of tourist interest are Lal Bagh, the famous Tipu Sultan's Palace, Government Museum and Aerospace Museum are famous here. Vidhan Sauda is a famous landmark in the city. Next we can move on to Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. It is also known as City of Pearls. Secunderabad is located close to Hyderabad. These two cities connected by Hussain Sagar Lake are known as the twin cities. The Charminar is the pride of the city. Other places that tourists like to visit are Salarjung Museum, Golconda Fort, the beautiful Chow Mahala Palace, people in Hyderabad speak Telugu and Urdu. Pearls and bangles are famous here. Next we can move on to Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. It was earlier called Trivandrum. People here speak Malayalam and English. Some places of tourist interest are Kovalam Beach, Ponmudi Hill Resort, Napier Museum and Reptile House, Sri Chitra Art Gallery, the weather remains pleasant throughout the year. People celebrate Onam and Vishu with joy. Next we can move on to Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is popularly known as Vizag. It is the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. It is surrounded by beautiful hills and has many beaches. Vizag is a port city. Fishing is the main occupation of the people. Rusikonda beach is very popular among the people. Dolphin Nose, INS Kursura Submarine Museum, Beach Road and Indira Gandhi Zoological Park are a few other places that tourists visit. Telugu is widely spoken. Next we can move on to recap. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It has many beaches and temples. Bengaluru, the capital of Karnataka, is famous for its gardens. Hyderabad is famous for the Charminar and pearl jewellery. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Many tourists visit the city. Visakhapatnam, a port city, is the largest city in Andhra Pradesh. I hope you all would have understood the lesson. I will meet you in the next session with a new topic. Thank you.